Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Javon Keys. It's now time for Frontline Business. Since the introduction of the Trade Board through the Jamaica Single Window for Trade J-Swift portal in June to improve trade efficiency, over 8,000 import and export permits have been approved. J-Swift is an electronic platform providing traders and their representatives with fully automated access to state border regulatory agencies, thereby enabling clients to conduct business transactions online. The one-stop shop allows importers and exporters to apply for licenses, permits, certificates, and any other international trade-related documents through a single portal. Now, following the announcement by Scotiabank Group with regards to the closure of two of its branches, several businesses in Old Harbour St. Catherine are evaluating the impending effect. President of the Old Harbour Chamber of Commerce, Tricia Reid McCalla, spoke with Frontline Business.
The closure is definitely going to be a decline because, a lot of businesses depend on their day-to-day transactions for their business to evolve. And without that, and some persons don't have that cash flow, ready cash flow, so they depend on the bank. They depend on the daily deposit for their loans to be paid, for a check to be withdrawn. So a lot of businesses are going to be affected.
Mrs. Reid McCalla says the impact of the closure will be wide-ranging.
Well, my business is 60% of my business is cash, not online, but cash 40% is online, and that I know for sure based on the data. And other businesses, the restaurants, Kaluga Cafe or Russell's, most of those two businesses, I think basically is the same thing, 60% to 40% cash.
Scotiabank will close the Old Harbour branch in April of 2021. The operations will be consolidated into the Maven branch. The first half of the financial year for Lasco Financial Services recorded a 60% decline in profit. As at September 30, the company's profit was down $44 million when compared to the previous year, which recorded $74 million. Lasco's income declined by 11% or $152 million to $1.1 billion. Now on to stocks. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index declined by 1,026 points to close at under 4,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 87 stocks, of which 42 advanced, 36 declined, and 9 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 24 points to close at under 2,000 units. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Caribbean Producers, as well as Carreras. Stocks declined for Access Financial Services, Barita Investments, Berger Paints Jamaica, Blue Power Group, and CAC 2000. Trading firm were Siboney Group, First Rock Capital Holdings, JMMB Group 5.75% preference shares, JMMB Group, and Kingston Wharves. Lumber Depot Limited was the volume leader with 4.2 million units, followed by Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 1.2 million units, and Lasco Financial Services Limited with 1.1 million units. And now the foreign exchange. Meanwhile, oil prices fell more than 3% Monday on worries that a slate of coronavirus lockdowns across Europe will weaken fuel demand while traders brace for turbulence during the U.S. presidential election week. Brent crude declined by $1.16 to settle at $36.78 a barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate fell by $1.24 to settle at $34.55 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Javon Keys. Pleasant viewing.